Cesar, have you ever lost a key?
Yes, a couple times.
Okay, did you look into what it would cost to replace it?
About $200.
Did you have it replaced?
I did not.
Okay. Cesar, you're like most of the people that lose keys, okay? Actually, you're a little bit smarter than most people. Most don't even look into how much it would cost to replace them. You at least did that. And you made a decision. Do I pay $200 for a key, or do I just take better care of my last key? And you said, I'll take better care of my last key, and that's why you've got one key to your trade-in. However, you're about to pay for that second key. You know how?
No.
Literally, because keys are $200, the more keys you have to your vehicle, the more valuable your trade-in. Because guess what? The next person that buys this car, whether you sell it to us or any other dealer or a private party, the next person is going to want 2 keys to that car. And if you've only got one, they're going to subtract from the value of that vehicle exactly what it's going to cost to replace that second key.
Unless they're trying to make a deal today, maybe they can, deduct the $200 and we're good.
Oh, they're definitely going to deduct the $200. Don't worry, Cesar. Okay? But you'll be glad to know that the next vehicle you purchase, because you're looking at a Motor Trend certified vehicle, it's going to come with key replacement. During the first year, should you lose the key, or should the key just malfunction? Should you run through the washing machine? Should your dog chew it up? Should you run over it with a lawnmower? Doesn't matter. They're going to pay to have that key replaced. They're going to pay to have the key fob, the programming. If you need a locksmith to unlock your car, they're going to pay for that. If you lose your entire key ring, they're going to pay an additional $200 to replace other keys. They're going to pay for substitute transportation. They're going to do that twice for you during the first year. And Cesar, if you plan on keeping your vehicle longer than a year, you may want to look at extending that coverage. Talk with Crystal or Mike. They'll show you how you can take that coverage out to 2, 3, 4, even 5 years. Okay?
Okay.